Hello guys, this is Shwebhan and welcome to my English lecture. And today we will be talking about approximately 20 idiomatic expressions. And they are very necessary because sometimes the native speakers use idiomatic expressions and we don't know the meaning of it, so that's why we can't pick them. So before I go to in detail, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you receive my new lectures. Well, let's start. To be sick and tired of. It means that when you are extremely annoyed by something or someone, so then you can use it to be sick and tired of. For example, if you are studying and a person comes to your room again and again, when he comes to again and again and you don't like it because he distracts your mind from studying. So then you can say that I'm really sick and tired of you. Don't come to me. For example, he wants to get rid of his irresponsible servant because he is sick and tired of him. To drop someone a line, it means that to write a letter to someone. For example, when your brother is going to go somewhere else and you tell him that when you reach there, so please drop a line for me. So it means that to write a letter to you. So for example, when you reach Karachi, drop a line for me, please. To give someone hand, it means to help someone or to support someone. For example, if someone is a critical situation and he needs help and he tells you that please give me your hand, so it means that he wants your support or help. For example, please give me hand in this critical situation. Fair weather friend. Fair weather friend is a friend who is only your friend in a good time. When you are in a good position, so then he is your friend. For example, be aware of him because he is a fair weather friend. In a nutshell means that to express something or to say something in fewer words. For example, there are some people who do not like long stories and they will tell you that tell me your whole incident in a nutshell. So it means that he wants to hear from you your story in a short form. For example, tell me your story of incident in a nutshell. Ins and outs means that to know or to have full detail of something. For example, if you understand something and if you have some detail or full detail of something, so then you can say that I know ins and out of this thing. For example, I know ins and outs of this business. It means that you are fully aware of this business. Bed of roses. Bed of roses refers to a place that is quite comfortable. For example, life is not a bed of roses. It means that life is not so comfortable. To have one's head in the cloud. It means that having no information. For example, if you do not have any information about anything, it could be anything, and you don't have any information in that time, you can say that I have my head in the cloud about this matter. It means that you do not have any information. For example, I was not present on the spot, so I have my head in the cloud about this matter. In the seventh heaven. In the seventh heaven means that extremely happy. When you are extremely happy, so then you could say that I am in the seventh heaven. For example, if you succeed in your plan, and so then you can tell that when I was succeeded in my plan, so I was in the seventh heaven. For example, he felt himself in the seventh heaven when he succeeded in his mission. In the same boat. In the same boat means that to be in the same situation. For example, if you attempt your paper and someone comes to you and asks the question, how did you attempt your paper? And you say that it was not good. And then he asks about your friend, and you say that he and I are in the same boat. It means that he also did not attempt his paper well. For example, John and Smith could not get the job, so they are in the same boat. It means that in the same situation. To keep the ball rolling. To keep the ball rolling means that to continue something. It means that when you are doing something and someone comes to you and he tells you that good, it is excellent job, keep the ball rolling. It means that to continue it, just like keep it up. So, for example, go ahead with your plans and keep the ball rolling. It means that just continue your plan. To kill time. To kill time means that to pass time. For example, I watch movies to kill time. It means that to pass time. To pull a long pace. To pull a long pace means that to become sad. When you tell something to a person and he becomes sad, so then you can say that he pulled a long pace. For example, when his business collapsed, he pulled a long face. It means that he became sad. A man of means. A man of means refers to a person who is very wealthy. For example, if you say that one day I'll become a man of means, it means that a rich person. For example, he is a man of means. It means that he is a rich person. To rain cats and dogs. To rain cats and dogs refers to very heavy rain. When it is raining heavily, so then you can say that it is raining cats and dogs here. For example, it rained yesterday cats and dogs. It refers to a rain that is quite heavy. To see eye and eye with. It means that to agree with someone. For example, I always see eye to eye with you in all matters. It means that I always agree with you. By hook or crook. By hook or crook means that legally or illegally. When you do something, whether illegally or legally, so then we can say that by hook or crook. For example, if you say that I will achieve that thing by hook or crook, it means that whether legally or illegally, but I will achieve it. For example, he collects money by hook or crook. He just collects money by hook or crook means that legally or illegally. Snake in the grass. Snake in the grass means that a secret enemy. For example, be aware of him. He is snake in the grass. It means that he is a secret enemy. Turn a deaf ear. Turn a deaf ear means that paying no attention. For example, if someone is not going to give you attention, so then you can say that he always turns a deaf ear to me. It means that he is not going to pay attention to you. For example, a poor student turns a deaf ear to the lecture of a teacher. Make up one's mind. Make up one's mind means that have an intention or determination. For example, if you want to do something, so you can say that I have made my mind to do that thing. For example, I have made up my mind to start a new business. So here you can see that I made up my mind. It means that I have an intention to start a new business. Okay, I hope that you got it, and now I'm going to give you a test and you just use one idiomatic expression in your own sentence and paste it in the comment. So let me see it whether you have learned or not. Okay, thank you, see you next time. Bye bye.